Good evening, scrapologists. It's been a minute. We've had snowstorm that lasted, well, snow for 3 days. It's bad for 1 day. Put down quite a bit of snow outside. Then we had extremely cold weather. And now we're in the midst of a wind warning. The rain started now, believe it or not. It's nice and warm. I thought I'd come down, straighten out a little bit. Maybe tear this nice drill apart. Took all the screws out except for one. Didn't think anybody needed to see me fumble with that for 20 minutes. So, I don't have all my tools down here. I was only coming down to straighten up a bit. And they said, what the heck? Yeah, so we've been absent for almost a week now, I believe. Maybe a little bit more. But, can't control the weather. Now this thing's going to give me all kinds of fun now that I turn the camera on. Yep, oops. Yep, they're all out. But it's not coming apart. So, look at that. It comes apart now. Ooh. Me likey that. Me likey that a lot. How's that in there? Yeah, the lighting's not very good down here at the shop. I'm thinking that was just sitting in there. Well, when we find out, isn't there? Hey, yes, sir. It was just sitting in there. Huh. Gotta love hammers. The cure-all. And yes, I lost my... oh my goodness. I think I've left all of my cutting things up in the truck. Yep, I don't have anything down here to cut with. So, do it the old-fashioned way. There. It's a little motor. I'm guessing that's copper. I'm just trying to think of what I'd done with my file. Yep, copper. All right. And it's here. Don't even need to check that. I know that's steel. You can tell by looking at it. So, this here, told you to put them as electric motors, but I don't know. Maybe find something different. So, yeah, not a lot exciting in there, was there, guys? Oh, look at this. I found a pair of cutters right in front of me. So, we're, got the power tools up the house tonight. Because as I said, we just came down more or less to do an update. Maybe tear one or two things apart. There goes the car. Yeehaw! And that was a finger. Alrighty. So I'll cut that off. Cut that off. Yeah, get that off. We'll get a better pair. There we go. That's plastic. That's plastic. Alrighty. So, excuse me, we'll cut the wires off this for now. Don't know what's inside there, but now, pretty sure these here are all steel. No need for them to be anything else. That is magnetic. That'll be magnetic. That. And throw them down there. So, let's see, put this right over the barrel. Oh yes, that one's not done yet all the way. And I need 3 hands to do it. So this we'll put away for future. And believe it or not, Itchy knows we have not got anything set up for that yet. Oh well. Yeah, so got this thing here. Might as well try to tear this part while we're down here. Just 1 screw. 2 screws. All Phillips. Alrighty. How does this thing fit down in here? Nope. Of course not. And that's not. Yeah, it's just assortment of tools that were in a box here. And nope. So what we're doing tonight, we come down to check out the other kerosene heater, but it doesn't seem to be working either. So I'll bring the propane one down and get that going sometime. But lots of torque screwdrivers. They never get lost because nobody ever uses them. Another Torx. Another Torx. Oh my goodness. Another Torx. Another one. Another one. Oh, real screwdriver. Yay. Yeah, so we've been busy trying to get things ready, but between snowstorms and freezing weather and all the other fun stuff associated with the onslaught of winter, that one's not going to go down in there, is it? Nope. All right. So we're stuck. Ouch. What in the world? There's no seam there, that's why. So that's another day's project. I got a lot of other day's projects on the go, don't I? So that one there, I believe I just had this in it to get out. So what I'm going to do with this here was simply go the reason for that is simply to be able to fit more into a bucket. That's solid brass, so I'll take this off. It's a wire. The wire hook to it means that that's brass, that's screw head and the screw. So all I really got to do is to separate the wire off. There's some clean brass. There's that and that. Goes up there. So there's not a lot we can do down here tonight. Because that's just a mess. So as you see, we're just hang this up a bit. Here, look at my feet. So as you see, all we're doing down here tonight, here's my part from the house, is just putting around. We're going to sort some tools out. Oops. Where's the other one? There it is. So the plans this week is to come down. I'll finish cleaning this up tonight a little bit, And tomorrow we'll do some breakdown videos. I got a couple of AC rads I got to take care of. Small air conditioning unit, home air conditioning unit I got to take apart in here, because you can be heavy rain for 18 hours, I think they said. And we'll see where it goes from there. So yeah, we're doing all right. I hope it didn't bore you too bad, but thought I better give a shout out and say hi to everybody. We got to pick a couple of chairs on the street tonight. Street scrapping, all we got was a couple of chairs, but the ones we had in here were actually here in outdoor set. They were big and bulky. So I put those in here, took the cushions off of ones we found, which again, found on the side of the road. So, and then I get the chairs in here and find out they're actually bar stools, which are great for the workbenches. So I'm probably going to take that stool in town to the shop and use this one here for sitting at the workbench. And an extra seat if I have company or friends come over and sit down and take a break. All right, so we found out tonight that both heaters are garbage. I got to gather up my tools. And I'm looking around, and I see actually the roof doesn't seem to be leaking anywhere. It's raining out right now, and I don't see any leaks in the roof, which is actually quite comforting for me right now, because I thought the roof was gone on this. What it was, when it was off balance like that for about a year, water's getting inside. But I think it's because it wasn't running off one side of the roof properly. It was getting underneath the shingles somehow. But now it actually seems to be running good. So yeah, we got a run on her. We didn't get this all done yet. As I say, we've been pretty busy dodging snowstorms, and I think one night we were down like minus 18 with wind chill Celsius. So that was definitely a no-go zones. We would the other night. We got a few rims from a friend, and that was about it for that. So scrap's not slowing down. I just am because of the weather. But now that we got a start on her, I bring that propane heater down. Tomorrow's supposed to be plus 13 Celsius, which is, right around 60, I think, Fahrenheit. So we won't need heat here tomorrow. And I can start hauling stuff in here from outside, get a little bit wet, bring it in, and just do all the work inside here tomorrow. So we're going to do a lot tomorrow, but to do that, you got to get all this mess straightened out. You can't have your tools all over the floor and not know what you have, not know where it's at. So got to organize better than this before I do anything. So that's my job tonight, was I give you guys an update, checking the heater, which found it doesn't work. Maybe tear down that drill. So tore down the drill, got that out of the way, and we'll clean this mess up, straighten it up, and start over tomorrow morning with an organized, clean shop. And I'm not going to bore you anymore with that. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Really appreciate it, guys. And we would put us more out some new content now that the weather's starting to equalize a bit. And we'll see you in the next video. It'll probably be a teardown video. What? I don't know. There's a bunch of stuff out in the yard out there. There's just all kinds of stuff. So thank you again, everybody. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all that nice stuff. I really appreciate all you guys being here. And you take care. Stay warm and dry wherever you are. Take care of your neighbor. And God bless, guys.